Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make Haitian Epis. If you're diving into Haitian cuisine, the first step is to learn how to make Epis. Pretty much every savory meal is going to start with this very vital ingredient. So for starters, I'm going to go out to the garden and pick some fresh herbs, which are going to give a way better flavor than store-bought herbs for my Epis. Here's everything you're going to need to make the Epis. We're going to start with green onions, parsley, thyme, sweet peppers. I chose 2 different colors, regular onion, some ginger, and hot pepper. I use habanero. I'm only going to use a little portion of it so it won't be too hot, and also garlic. Then you're going to need oil, ground cloves, and chicken bouillon. This I use better than bouillon. They use bouillon cubes in Haiti, but because of the MSG, I prefer this for my health. Starting off, we are going to wash everything thoroughly to rinse off any sand or dirt. For the ginger root, I'm not going to be peeling it, so I will scrub it thoroughly with a brush. Next up, you want to chop everything very small so that it can blend smooth. I am only going to be using a small portion of the sweet peppers and the onion in this Epis just to add flavor. With your thyme, we're just going to strip the leaves off as you see me doing here. We will not be blending the stems as they aren't going to blend up. The habanero pepper is very hot, and I'm only going to be using the tip of it and make sure that I remove all of the seeds. You are going to peel your garlic and then choose how many cloves you will be using. I like a lot of garlic in my Epis, so I'm going to be using about half of the head. Everything is coming together. I'm going to add a little bit of ground cloves. If you add too much, it will be spicy, so just be careful. And then we're going to add the better than bouillon. I'm going to put about a teaspoon just to add that bouillon flavor. To finish off, you will add just enough oil to help it blend. I used avocado oil. And then cover that, and you're going to blend it until smooth, about 1 to 2 minutes. As you can see, it's all smooth here. The color is even and there are no big chunks. I will be putting it in a glass jar that seals airtight, and it'll last in the fridge for about a month without spoiling. I would like to hear how you make your Epis in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.